What's going on, YouTube? This is Stacy with Sandtrans LLC, where we are driving for financial freedom. And this morning I'm over here at one of my rental properties. It's one that the tenant moved out. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full baths that we've had for a while. And I just want to talk to you guys today to show you how you can mix your trucking business with your other investments. And so with this particular property, we don't plan on renting it out anymore, or we may, it just depends. Right now, got the painters coming over to do all the painting in it, clean it up, get it ready. But my main thing is with these properties, you can use the equity in these properties to finance your business. And in this property right here, it's a 4-bedroom, 3 bath. So one of the things we're going to do once we get it all fixed up is we're going to pull the equity. The painters are here too. We're going to pull the equity out of the property and use it to buy some more equipment for the trucking company. And then we're going to have the tenant pay the rent on the property to pay off the mortgage. So we'll be able to acquire more equipment through the use of real estate. The tenant then in turns is going to pay off the real estate for us and provide us with some passive cash flow. And just kind of a little quick tip for you guys on how you could use your money from your trucking company to invest in real estate and use that real estate then to turn around and buy more equipment for your trucking company, which will allow you to scale and not having to pay any of the note yourself, because the tenant will pay the note for you. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to talk to the painter real quick, give him some instructions on what we're doing today at the house. So he's gonna get everything painted, do the roof. So now I'm gonna kind of get in a little bit more detail on, I kind of vaguely spoke about, how to use it. So let's get into some numbers. All right, so that property right there appraises at $140,000. Well, actually $148,000. Okay, so $148,000 property. Let's just hypothetically say you own it free and clear. So what you could do with that property is you can do what they call a refinance, where you could refinance and pull out up to 95% of the cash out of that property. That means you probably pull, you put like $120,000, $130,000 in your pocket from that property. Okay, and when you get that money in your pocket, there's several things you can do with it. Number one, invest it back into your trucking company. With that, you can buy more equipment. You can buy your tractor, a new truck, new trailer. You got expenses for fuels, maintenance, just off of that one property. But the gem is, if you kept the property, you could then lease it out. And if your note on that particular property is $1,300 a month, well, you charge the tenant $1,500 a month, and then the tenant pays off the mortgage for you. You keep $200 in your pocket as passive cash flow, plus you now have you some more trucks that are creating passive cash flow. So that's one option. Or you could put the property on the market. Okay, you put the property on the market. Now here is a great tip, so listen up real close. You put the property on the market and you sell it. And if you sell that property, let's say for $138,000, what you owe basically. So you did the line of credit or the refinance for $130,000. You put it on the market and you sell it for $130,000. Well, because it's a loan, the $130,000 is not susceptible to capital gains tax, because basically all you're doing is paying off a loan. So the previous $130,000 you got was a loan. When your new buyer comes in and buys the property, he's paying off a debt, so you have no gain. Hope you follow that. Anyway, that's my tip. You know how to mix your trucking business with a real estate business or any other business. You can find creative ways to increase your cash flow, give yourself a raise. That's it for now. I'm Sandtrans LLC, Sandtrans Hotshot. That's our Instagram. Like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.